Are you looking for the best bone broth protein powder? Well, we've got this one right here. Figured I'd show this stuff off to you guys, do a little taste test with you. This is their chicken soup one right here. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy on up and see what we got on the inside. My wife already used some of this because she was cooking one night and she didn't have some chicken stock. And so she just simply took some of this, mixed it up with some water, some hot water, and she was able to add that to the food, which was awesome. So I like, whenever I do my taste test videos, to just use the product with just water, or, you know, very simply, so that I can get a good taste for what it tastes like. Let's see, this is 15 servings per container, 1 scoop. It gives you what you need. So let's go ahead. I'll do, this is a smaller glass, so I'm going to do just maybe like a half scoop. How about that? We'll try that out. The reason why I do that is because sometimes these protein powders can kind of clump up if you put too much in there. And so let's see how this one works. Yeah, I gotta say, that dissolved quite nicely into the cup right there, so that's awesome. So we'll go ahead and give it a little stir around just to make sure we got it all going on. Smell? Well, it smells like chicken stock, which is what I was expecting, especially since my wife already has used it too, and it didn't make, it didn't make the food taste funny or anything. Go and put that right on over there. So I love bone broth. On those cold days where you just need something to warm up the soul, I'll go for a bone broth, especially if it's like late at night and I don't want to have like a bunch of caffeine and all that type of stuff. This will do it. So let's see what we got here. It's a little hot. I can feel it on the outside of the cup. All right, here we go. Ooh, yes, that is nice. It's got that great flavor in there. If you love bone broths, usually you cook it with like a bunch of vegetables and spices and all that type of stuff. Let's see what's in this one right here. Your ingredients: grass-fed beef bone broth. That's awesome. Protein concentrate. There's chicken bone broth protein concentrate. There's chicken bone broth oil, organic tomato and carrot, natural sea salts, organic garlic, organic turmeric root, rosemary leaf, thyme leaf, and black pepper fruit, and rosemary extract. So, yeah, I mean, that's usually whenever you're making a bone broth from scratch, that's the type of ingredients that you're going to put in there. That is really good. And so if you want to just have a quick, easy way to be able to make bone broth happen, take a scoop of this, put it into a cup with some hot water, and you are good to go. So I love how simple it is. But also, like I said earlier, if you need something for cooking, you can easily mix something up right there and throw it into your food to give it that good bone broth that you need. 15 grams of protein. Total carbohydrates is less than 1 gram. There's no sugar or fiber in here. 145 milligrams of sodium. Cholesterol less than 5 milligrams, and total fats is 2.5 grams coming from saturated fats right there. It says produced on equipment that also processes peanuts, tree nuts, milk, soybean, wheat, sesame, shellfish, fish, and eggs. So I did want to let you guys know about that. Patented formula, dairy-free right here. It's a good sipping broth, protein with 15 grams, and I love that it's grass-fed and pasture-raised too. It's just a higher quality of meat that you're getting in this broth right here. So that's awesome. I believe that they might make this in a larger container too. So if you guys want to go get something bigger, or they might have something smaller too, so you can kind of test it out and see if you like it. Definitely go and check out the product listing below, and they'll have all the different options that you can choose from on there. That way you guys can go and pick out the one that's going to be the best for you. Like I said, this one says chicken soup on there. They may even have like a beef soup or something else like that. I know that they have a chocolate flavored and a caramel salt flavor if you like adding stuff to like smoothies or coffees or something like that. So that's another option for you as well. But definitely go and check out that product listing below so you guys can go and check out everything that they have. But y'all go and grab y'all some of this if this is something that you want. And y'all let me know if this was helpful. If it was, there's that helpful right there. Definitely appreciate you guys looking that up for me. Y'all go and add this to your cart. Thank you to these guys for sending this to me so I can show it off to y'all. And Dad out.